Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video about my 4-hour chart that I made over the weekend for this week using Elliott wave analysis. So let's get started. Some of the charts I'm going to show, one of them is the yen index 20-minute chart, and this is the Elliott wave analysis 1, 2, 3, and I said we're going to be going up for wave 4, wave C of wave 4, A, B, C correction. And this is how we're going to go up and finishing wave 4 and then maybe dropping for wave 5 if I'm right. And going to the upside, what will happen? This will happen. When yen index goes up, all yen pairs also go up, right? So what happened to this chart? You can see it went up straight to this area, right? And wave C, wave 4 is finished. And now probably we're going to make the turn. But this is what happened today as of Monday, 5 p.m., right? And now, obviously, when I wrote this here that this is what's going to happen, then what some of the charts I made is like including the pound yen, right? Pound yen was also making this kind of setup here. So I said we're going to go up there first and then we're going to drop, right? So look at this chart here. It went up straight to the upside, finishing wave 4, hopefully, and we're going to make the turn. Actually, right now I saw, and it is making a short reversal candle already, bearish reversal candle. Similarly, if you look at other yen pairs, which I miss basically, but it doesn't matter. I have, I was trading something else. So let me show you that in pound yen, I had a small one, but what about the euro yen? You can see that euro yen also went up from here to here. I made the chart, but I kind of like lost it. I can't find it where I saved the chart. Similarly, this was, I made the chart, but I forgot to save it, right? So it was here also A, B, and then this thing went up for C. It should be going to the upside all the way there, but since USD is also weak, it didn't go much higher. So maybe around 38%, it will stop A, B, C, right? And then we're going to drop. Aussie yen also went up from C. This also, I was making the chart, but I forgot to complete it. And I wrote down 1, 2, 3, and then no 4, 5, whatever. But exactly, you can see that from here we went up for you can say a part of a wave 4, or maybe this is A, B, C is coming, or 38% already touched. So that is usually wave 4 around 38%. Even CAD yen also went up. It's that you see that it went up from here to here, but it's gonna drop anyway. So the only thing I took the trade from pound yen. Another chart that I want to show is look this one. Uh, this is Aussie dollar index, right? And Aussie dollar index also same thing. 1, 2, wave 3 was finished according to my mumbo jumbo, and then we're supposed to be going to the upside for wave 4, finishing wave 4 here before dropping for wave 5 all the way down. So what happened to this chart? Boom, this happened, right? And you can see that I have written here what happened. If this goes up for wave 4, then GA means pound Aussie and Euro Aussie will go down, right? They were all the way up. And the Aussie on the right hand side in these two pairs. So if the Aussie is gonna get strong, those two will go down. So what happened to those charts? And I made the charts for them as well, which was this. So I made the Euro Aussie that's gonna drop while Aussie index chart will go up, right? And so this chart turned into this, and I had a beautiful trade in this as well. And pound Aussie also, I made the chart that's gonna drop from there to 97.53 and do 97.53 all the way down. So these are a couple of trades here, and let me show you the trades in that. For example, well, let me show you another 4-hour chart. Not 4-hour chart, but gold chart, gold analysis and gold chart. I made this one that this is what's gonna happen. This is kind of like for me, where like we have 1, 2, and then it's gonna go up here. And by the way, this one I posted on my Telegram as well. The target, you see this 2666, right? And you can see here that I post in my Telegram is a gold's TP at 2666 just hit. Well, where's the entry I showed? See, gold long at 2648 SL is 2644 and TP equal to 2666. And this chart, it went all the way up and hit this 2666. Even it went up to 2673. I had an entry from 48, 2648. Let me show you my trades. This was the gold chart. See that this entry that when I posted on the Telegram, this is my entry at 2648. So I closed 70% at 2666, and then the rest around 2673 before this thing started to drop. This is the one of the trade today. And remember the pound Aussie and Euro Aussie, I said that they're gonna go down and they went, right? This is the entry from 7-minute chart for 150 in pound Aussie and Euro Aussie. This is the entry taken by the EA, Expert Advisor Robot, for 125. And GJ, all yen pair went up, and the only one I got is pound yen. I wasn't even looking on the other side or the other pairs because my broker, the MT4, was for the 7-minute chart was down. Not down, but it was not even open, and the EA were not there, right? So my son Omar forgot about it, and this is the one that I took manually on the other account, only for 60 pip. But you saw that all yen pair went up big time, right? And now they're going to be coming down, right? So this is how the Elliott wave works very, very perfectly if you know what you are doing, and that's why I teach in one-on-one over the Zoom. I have one-on-one course, 10-hour course, 5-hour course. You can go to my website here, see the one-on-one coaching, where I teach Elliott wave and harmonic patterns, how they are made and how you can trade it, just like the one that I'm showing. Watching the index chart is beautiful because if yen index, you can catch the direction in yen index or Aussie index, especially yen index, you have multiple choice in your hand. All yen pair goes up when the index is going up, or if indices start to drop, all yen pair will be dropping. And that's what's going to happen pretty soon. In fact, maybe tonight, this yen index chart, it went up. Where the heck it is? See, this one went up before it's finished. Now it's going to drop big time here. And all yen pair, like written here, when yen index goes down, all yen pairs also go down. So they're all going to be going down, and I'm going to be taking shorts in that. And just like today, I will show you my trades, that how I took it just based on this. Why? Because yen index have 7 yen pairs at least that I know, right? And if it is dropping, all are dropping. And you can only take like maybe 2 or 3 trades, and you can come up with 200, 300 pips in a day. The yen pairs move big time, very big. If you look at this, for example, pound yen, how much the daily range of this baby? I don't know. Well, it's not here, the indicator. Let me see if I can drop that indicator real quick, so you will see how much it is, if it's going to work. Okay, so see the daily range of this pound yen is 207, 200 pip. This pair move every single day more than 200, well, around 200 pip, right? And today, current day range so far today, it moved 280 pip, 280 pip. I got only 60 pip trade from that, right? The one that I showed you, only 60 pip, because it went up so fast that it didn't give any entry. Any of those yen pairs didn't give me the entry. Actually, like I said, that my broker was turned off, the MT4, right? And so I missed those moves, but I don't regret. I have a very big trade in gold and Euro Aussie, pound Aussie, right? And 60 pip in pound yen as well. So that's enough. But from here to here, you see, there's 280 pip. Right? In one day. Imagine if it's going to drop all the way here. Right? So a lot of pippage are coming. And good, very, very good opportunities are coming now, because yen is going to turn and go down, and it's going to take all yen pairs with it to the downside, and I will be all over them, right? So I'm going to take the trades tonight and tomorrow, and then I'll make a video and show you that how this Elliott wave, if you can find the direction, if you can catch the right count, you can do amazing things in this business. And anything, gold, NASDAQ, S&P 500, whatever, metals and commodities, whatever you want to trade, you can easily trade. Whatever you can open an MT4, you can use my system, but you can use my analysis to trade in any broker or any system or any platform, right? That shows basically the right direction. That's all, right? And that's the main thing. That's the bread and butter of this business, to find out, to know the right direction, the where the heck anything is going to go. And then you can trade in that direction. That's it. All right. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn, then you can go on my website here. You have opportunity here. You have one-on-one coaching, 10-hour course and 5-hour course, where I teach not only a Elliott wave, but harmonic pattern, S&R level, trend line, blah, 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 A to Z that has to do with trading business. Right. I also have video courses here, very cheap, very good course, very knowledgeable. You will have tons of knowledge with Elliott Wave and especially harmonic patterns. I have my own pattern that I created. And also there are videos that shows that if the pattern is failed, then what to do and how to benefit from that. That is a big thing that nobody talks about, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. And by the way, the gold chart, the gold trade, I posted on the Telegram. I just showed you a thing, right? So gold entry here, SL here, TP here, and then I posted my trade after the trade was finished. This one and this one, the final. I closed 70% here, and then the rest here, all the way on the 2673. All right. So, all right. So this is it for now. And hopefully I will make another video tomorrow.